try mode to make myself a delicious and healthy lunch. So I'm going to be making some crispy kale and sweet potato, and that is going to go into a salad alongside some olives, some feta, and it's going to be super delicious, full of really good nutrients and really quick to prepare. So if you struggle sometimes with some lunch ideas, then why not give this a try? Of course, you can add in whatever extras you want to this. Let me show you how we do this. It's really simple and easy. So I've prepped everything already so that it makes it a little easier just to get a quick lunch on the go. So I've got some sweet potato in here. Obviously you use the quantity that you want to, as long as it fits in the basket, then it's going to be all good. To my sweet potato, I'm going to add just a couple of sprays there of some light spray oil. And then I want to season my sweet potato with some salt and a little bit of black pepper. And then just give that a toss around. And then I'm just going to spray the air fryer basket just to stop it from sticking too much. And then add your sweet potato onto the bottom of your air fryer basket. And let's then get that onto air fry. I'm going to give that sort of 10 minutes and see how we get on. I'm going to cook this on 200 degrees. While that's cooking, let's get our kale. This is actually Cavolo Nero. That's the only one I could get when I was shopping. So spray oil to this as well. That's going to help it go crispy and actually taste nice. Okay. That's great. And then you can add what seasonings you want to this. So I'm going to go with some salt and then also some black pepper. And I thought a little bit of paprika would be nice as well. I've got a massive jar here. Should really get a spoon, but there you go. Sprinkle a little bit of that over. You can put a little bit of garlic into this if you want to. And then to go in my salad, I've got some pine nuts, I've got some beetroot, some feta, some olives. As you can see, I'm sort of calorie counting this and keeping it fairly healthy, because I know that we've got a good chicken stir fry tonight. So I just want something that's not too massive for lunch, but it's still got really good nutrients in it. I overcooked some bacon yesterday. Look what's left of this, how crispy that is. But I'm just going to break that up and sprinkle that on top so that I don't waste that. You could add tomatoes to this. You could add some cooked chicken, whatever you like, but it's going to be delicious. So my sweet potato has softened. We've got getting a nice crispy edge on that. And I do like mine quite crispy. On top of that, I'm going to throw in the kale. And now let's get that nice and crispy. I'm going to turn the temperature down to about 190, sort of 5 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on it. It might need a little bit longer. We're going to just see. I'm also actually going to add in my pine nuts. I know they might fall through the holes, but they're going to sort of toast a little bit on the top there as well. So let's put them in. Whoa, that's flying everywhere. I've just checked this and the kale has had just 3 minutes. Let me show you here. Look, we've got some of it stuck up on the fan here. Oops. But yes, look, listen actually. Just listen to that. That is perfect. So 3 minutes, didn't need the 5. I'm ready to serve up my lunch. Right, let's grab my basket and pour that all into my plate. Oh, I've tasted a little bit of this and it's just so crispy. It reminds me like seaweed that you get in the takeaway. Onto here, I'm going to add my olives. So although the kale is crispy, we've got some nice juicy olives and juicy beetroot as well, which I love. And then we're going to crumble over our feta and those little bits of crispy bacon as well. So we've got lots of crispiness, but we've also got lots of soft in here. And I cannot wait to eat this. Let's see if we can get a little bit of feta and everything on there. Look at that. Delicious. So you saw how quick and easy it was to make my lunch. And I think that is a really good, healthy, delicious meal to have. Let's give it a try. That's really nice. Doesn't need any dressing. Got the salt, pepper and paprika on the kale, which is really nice. This is so good. The sweet potato as well, next to that crispy kale, and then the salty feta. It works really well. I hope you give it a try.